Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about noun in English grammar. Okay. So what is a noun? Noun is a word that is used to name a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. So what does this definition tells us? It is telling us noun is a word that is used to name a person, a place, an animal or a thing. Okay. So for example, if I say, what is this? Okay. So in your mind you have already got the name that this is a book. Can you call it as a pencil or a pen? No, because there is a name given to this thing, isn't it? And what is the name? The name is book. Okay. So in the same way, each and everything has got a name, and that name is known as noun. Okay. So let us see some more definitions of noun. A word which is used to identify a thing, a person, a place or an animal is known as noun. So there are various words which we use as name of person, place, animal, thing, and all these are noun, and through all these words we are able to identify about what we are talking, isn't it? For example, see here, this is a pencil. Okay, this is a thing, isn't it? Here I have taken all the examples of thing. This is a pencil. This thing has got a name as pencil. In the same way, this is a folder, this is a table, laptop, soft toy, bottle. All these are nouns. Apart from this, there are various other things also which you can see around yourself. All those have got some name and they are noun. Okay. In the same way, if I take examples of persons, okay. So in the example of person, we have taken man, boy, woman, pilot, nurse, doctor. All these are also noun. Okay. And then examples of animal like elephant, rabbit, dog, frog, zebra, parrot. All these are nouns. Can I call this zebra as a parrot? No, I cannot. Okay, because this animal has got a name and its name is zebra. Okay, so there are certain words which are used as names for everything, and those words are known as noun. Okay, so let us see some examples of places also, like school, park, city, beach, stadium, restaurant. Okay, so if you say that yesterday I went to a park to play, people will understand where you went, isn't it? Now if you say yesterday I went to a restaurant to play, people will get confused. How can you play in a restaurant, isn't it? So this is how the name differs according to places. So that's why noun is a word which refers to a thing, a person, a place or an animal. I hope till here you understood what is a noun. Yes? So let us do some questions on this. Our first question is, the baby is sleeping. Okay. So what is the noun here? Here the baby is the noun. So we will underline it here. If you want, you can also write it in your notebook for a better practice. Okay. Our next question is, I love to eat mango. What is a mango? It is a fruit, isn't it? So that fruit has got a name and the name is mango. So again here this is a noun. Okay, we will underline this also. In the same way, our third question is, whose book is this? Okay, so again here book is a thing. It has got a name and its name is book. So here this book is a noun. Okay. The fourth question is, who took my pencil? Here again pencil is a thing and it is a noun. So let us underline this also. Our next question is, the cat is black in color. Okay. So here this cat is an animal, isn't it? So this animal has got a name and its name is cat. So again here this is a noun. We will underline this. Next question is, the dog ran away very fast. So again here dog is an animal. We will underline dog here because it's a noun. Our seventh question is, this park is very big. Now here again park is a place noun, isn't it? Here we are talking about a place. So here this park is a noun. Our eighth question is, I have a red shirt. Again shirt here it is a thing and it is a noun. Understood? So let us do one activity now. Here the activity is, write the below nouns in their correct place. Okay. So here are some words given. These words are noun. Okay. There are some names of animal, person, place and thing has been given. So accordingly you have to write it in this table. This table has been divided into 4 parts. Each part has a name like person, place, animal and thing. So our first word is bag. What is this bag? Is it a place? No, it is a thing. So we will write bag over here under thing. Okay, B-A-G, bag. Our next word is school. So again, what is a school? Is it a name of an animal? No, it is not an animal. It is a place. So we will write here school. Okay. Then we have got crow. Crow is a animal, isn't it? So we will write crow under animal. Then we have got mother. Mother is a person. So we will write mother under person. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Next is a eraser. What is a eraser? Can you tell me? Eraser is a thing, isn't it? So we will write eraser under thing. Again we have got mall. What is a mall? It is a place, isn't it? We all love to go to mall, isn't it? So we will write mall here. M-A-L-L, mall. Friend. Friend, again it's a name of a person. We will write friend here. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Then again cow. Cow is name of a animal. So we will write cow under animal. Again the word is hotel. Okay. Hotel is name of a place. So we will write hotel under place. H-O-T-E-L, hotel. Then again manager. Manager is a person. So we will write manager under person. M-A-N-A-G-E-R, manager. Our next word is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. So horse is an animal, isn't it? So we will write horse here. H-O-R-S-E, horse. And the last word is ball. It is a thing. So we will write ball here. B-A-L-L, ball. So in this way we will do this activity. If you want, you can do it in your notebook also, so that it will be clear to you like which all things comes under person, place, animal and thing. Okay. So next we are going to see types of nouns. Okay. So there are totally 8 types of noun. What are they? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, uncountable noun and compound noun. Okay. So in our today's session we are going to see only about proper noun and common noun, because this session I have kept specially for beginners. Okay. So let us see about proper noun. What is a proper noun? Proper noun is the special name given to a person, place, animal or thing. So you also have a name, isn't it? You have your name might be Riya or Neha or Rahul or Abhishek, anything. Your name is special to you, isn't it? So that's why when the name is special, it should start with a capital letter. Okay. So proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Let us do some examples on proper noun. My name is Meena. Here Meena is a what? It is a proper noun, isn't it? Our next sentence is, I love to play with my pet. My pet's name is Brownie. Okay. So here they have kept their pet's name as Brownie. Pet is an animal, isn't it? So again here Brownie is the name of their pet. So it is a special name and that's why it's a proper noun. We live in Bangalore. Bangalore is name of a city. So any place which has got a particular name or a special name, that is known as a proper noun. It might be Bangalore, Delhi, Calcutta, Madras, Hyderabad, Indore, Bhopal, India, America, anything. So all these names should start with capital letter. Okay. So here Bangalore is a proper noun. So we will underline this. I love to play with my Hot Wheels toy car. So you might be having toy cars. Okay. So there are many companies which manufactures toy cars and toys, but Hot Wheel is a name of a particular company. Okay. So that's why it should be started with capital letter because it's a proper noun. In the same way, my best friend's name is Riya. You have many friends, but there is one best friend whose name is Riya. So this is also a proper noun. We will underline this. Every Sunday. Sunday is name of a day, isn't it? That's why this is also a proper noun and it has started with a capital letter and we will underline this. Every Sunday we go to Cubbon Park. Now here park is name of a place, but this park is special because this park has got a name and the name of the park is Cubbon Park. Okay. So that's why this is a proper noun and we will underline this. So till here we understood what is a proper noun. Okay. Now we will see what is a common noun. Common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same kind or class. For example, girl, boy, student, class, park, cat, dog, teacher, all these are common noun. If I say she is my teacher, or there are many teachers in my school, so it is becoming common, isn't it? We are talking about all the teachers. Okay. Now those girls are playing in the garden. Okay. We will think about there are many girls playing in the garden. We will not think about any particular girl. Now if I say Meena is playing in the garden, we will come to know, okay, there is one girl whose name is Meena and she is playing in the garden. Because Meena is a proper noun. It's a name of a girl and it is special. Okay. So this is the difference between common noun and proper noun. When it is common, it relates to everybody of the same kind, and if it is a proper noun, that means we are talking about somebody or something in particular. Okay. So here common noun means a name which is shared by all. Okay. So let us see some examples on common noun. I am a girl. Okay. I am a girl. You are a girl. She is a girl. Okay. So girl is a common noun. That dog was running on the street. Okay. In the first sentence, I am a girl. Girl is the common noun. So we will underline it here. Then again, that dog was running on the street. Here we have got two common nouns. One is dog. Which is the other one? It is street. Okay. So again we will underline street also. I am a student of class 1. Again here student is a common noun. And class is also a common noun. Okay. We are going to the park to play. Where are we going? We are going to the park. So again here park is a common noun. Whose book is this? Whose book is that? Okay. Again here book is common noun. We will underline it. My father is a doctor. Both father and doctors are common noun. So we will underline both of these words, father and doctor. Next is my mother is a teacher. Again both of these words are common noun. So we will underline both mother and teacher. So till here we understood what is a proper noun and what is a common noun. Okay. Here I have created one story for you based on this picture. Okay. So my name is Rohan. Whose name is Rohan? This boy. This boy's name is Rohan. And why Rohan is starting with a capital letter? Because it is a proper noun, isn't it? Then this is my father. My father's name is Amit. So can you find the common nouns and proper noun here? Yes. Father is a common noun and Amit is a proper noun. Okay. This is my brother, my best friend. His name is Raj. Again, brother and friend, both are common nouns here. And Raj is a proper noun because it is name of this boy, isn't it? So Raj is a proper noun. We go to Federal School. Which school they go? They go to Federal School. Okay, so the name of their school is Federal School, and that's why it has started with a capital letter. We have a pet dog. My dog's name is Zuno. Okay, so they have a pet dog, and what is the dog's name? Zuno. So again it has started with a capital letter because it's a proper noun. And this dog here, it's a common noun. This is my mother. My mother's name is Neha. So here mother is a common noun and Neha is a proper noun. So understood about proper noun and common noun? Yes? So now I'll give you one assignment which you have to do at your home. Your assignment is draw the below picture and write 5 sentences about it. Your sentences should contain both proper noun and common noun. Okay, so you saw that I had created a story based on this picture. In the same way you can also do, you can create a story or you can just write 5 sentences about this picture. Okay, thank you.